Hi, this is James with the 1hoursmarthome.com, and today we are going to answer a question many of you get and show you how to do it. Does Alexa work with YouTube? And the answer is yes. Yes, it does work. But it's a little bit of a end-around kind of way to do it. These two companies, Amazon and Google, were fighting over this for a while. But they did let you connect them, and they do have it connected now. So this is actually, I was just looking at dog videos that's popped up on here. But that's through Bing. But we're going to show you how to get Alexa with YouTube. It's super simple. The first time you ask it, you may have to choose a browser. Just go ahead and choose Firefox. That's easy enough. It's not a big deal. But all you have to say to get YouTube on Alexa is, Alexa, show me YouTube.
Here is YouTube.
Oh, it's coming. Alright, so there it popped up. We've got just, I don't know, whatever the most popular trending videos are on YouTube. But let's say you wanted to search for something specific. It still has it like in a browser, just like you would have on a normal phone screen. So you'd click here, and we'll just type in DOG space videos, and if I didn't want to go through the hassle, I'll show you what I can do in the future. So I'm just typing that up. Okay, there we go. Now I have dog videos. Great. Now what if I'm not a dog guy, I'm a cat guy? Or what if I don't like either of those? Well, too bad, because we're going to do cat videos. Now, all you're going to have to do if you want to watch a YouTube video, instead of typing in, I'm just going to delete this here, you could say dog videos. And it pops up with a microphone, cat videos. Oh, well, I got to delete everything because I already had dog videos in there. So you can click this microphone if you want to use the Alexa functionality where you, you click the microphone if you want to use the Alexa functionality to be able to search for YouTube videos without having to type everything in. So, cat videos. All right, I press go, and now all kinds of cat videos pop up. What do we got there? Just click on it. I'm just going to say no thanks. Turn the volume up. There you go. All the cat videos you can handle. Super funny, it says. But that is how you would control your Echo Show. This will work on the new Echo Shows. Echo Show, Echo Spot, Echo Show 5. But this is how you get YouTube on your Echo Show. This is an older Echo Show, but they all work the same. It's just a software thing. And pretty much all the features are the same between these different Alexa voice assistants with a screen. I'm going to turn that off now. So basically how it accesses it is through a browser. If you wanted to watch a cooking video or something very specific on your Alexa device, that would be a great way to do so. You would just say, Alexa, show me YouTube. It's going to go to YouTube. And then you would type in what you want to find there. And you could go exactly to that video and watch it while you are trying to prepare, I don't know, mashed potatoes or whatever you're doing. So thank you for watching. Please click on the links below. This is an Echo Show, but there is a new version of the Echo Show, the Echo Show 5. Highly recommend that. If you click on the links below, it does help support us, support this channel. Please like and subscribe to this video, and we will see you next time.